What's up guys, this is how to shut down your Windows laptop or PC from the keyboard. Of course you have this power button, but actually it's disappointing. Let me press and hold it, for example. And this is the function out of the box. Slide down to shut down your PC. And I don't have a mouse connected to my laptop. Let's imagine this, and I just sliding down and literally it doesn't work. I need to use mouse to shut down my PC this way. But there is a universal method how you can shut down your PC. Just use the keyboard shortcut Windows key and X, Windows X, and here you have this menu, and the second option from the bottom is shut down or sign out. So you can use 4 options: sign out, sleep, shut down, or restart over here. That's it guys. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel and be awesome. Bye guys.